Hi, I'm Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. Today I'd love to share with you a beautiful result that I performed on a 64-year-old man who is a physician, and we got an amazing improvement for him that I know made him feel really great about his appearance. As many doctors work really hard and lots of times work into their older years, a lot of times you can start to see fatigue on our faces, and that was the case with this hardworking doctor here. He had bags underneath his eyes and hooding on the upper eyes. The bags underneath his eyes almost looked like a scope was imprinted on there. It's something that he does a lot during his daily working, and it wasn't making him feel that young. He also had a significant amount of fat and loose skin on his neck. You can see that especially in the profile views, and you can imagine how that might make somebody feel a little bit bad about their appearance. So I had operated on a good friend of hers, a woman who had a breathtakingly spectacular improvement. He decided he wanted the same thing. So I performed the male version of this. And I would say about 20% of my face and neck lift procedures are on male patients these days. And this is a great example of the natural appearing impact we can make. More so with males even than females. They're super concerned about having a natural result. I think there's still a little bit of stigma attached with it, especially if it's not well done plastic surgery. But fortunately, in my practice, we're going to get beautiful results. And that's what we did with this 64-year-old doctor. I performed my Traceless face and neck lift technique, as well as upper and lower eyelid surgery on him. We also performed some filler underneath his eyelids. Look at the combined result. I directly excised a large amount of submental fat, that means fat underneath his chin and the neck area, and removed a large amount of skin from his neck. When you remove a lot of fat, there's even more laxity on that skin. It's difficult to get a natural appearing result in that case, but we did here. Look at his eyes. The circles underneath his eyes are so greatly diminished. He has more light in his eyes, more sparkle. He looks, I'd say, at least 10 years younger, and I know he feels that way too. I was really pleased with this result, and I think it made a really positive impact on his life. I know he'd do it again in a second. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles, describing a traceless facelift on a male physician.